Welcome to Sophie's Kitchen, where I transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Today I'll be exploring a recipe that's both simple and incredibly fulfilling. With just a few ingredients, I'll create a dish bursting with flavor and comfort. Let's get cracking and whip up this delightful egg and noodle creation together. For the ingredients, you'll need 1 packet of instant noodles with its packaged sauce, 2 eggs, salt to taste, and vegetable oil for frying. Start by boiling water in a saucepan. Once the water reaches a boil, add the noodles from the packet and cook according to the instructions on the packaging. As the noodles are cooking, pour the packaged sauce from the noodle packet over the noodles and stir. After the noodles have cooked, crack the eggs into a bowl and beat them lightly. In a skillet, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, pour the beaten eggs and let them cook for a minute or 2 and turn the other side until cooked. Once everything is cooked to perfection, transfer your egg and noodle delight to a serving plate. Garnish with any additional toppings you desire, such as chopped green onions or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Serve your easy peasy noodles hot and enjoy the simplicity and deliciousness in every bite. Thank you for joining me in Sophie's Kitchen today. I hope you enjoyed this easy and tasty recipe for egg and noodles. Remember, sometimes the simplest dishes are the most satisfying. Be sure to subscribe for more quick and delightful recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!